guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my unboxing video. Yeah, today is unboxing. I need to unbox this. This is a studio light which I got in Amazon. I ordered it. It was after Christmas. Yeah, after Christmas I ordered this. It was after Christmas I ordered this studio light. I don't know, I will check it when I order it, but it didn't. It take a week before it came. It arrived, so I received it on time. So I received it January. I received it January 9th of January. Look at the date here. I don't know if you can see it. When I receive it, I don't know if you can see it. So here is the date when I receive it. So since all those time I don't have too much time, I don't have a lot of time to unbox it, to check what I order, what they deliver to me. So I'm using today is 18 February. Today is 18 February. So I want to check what we are going to check it together. What is inside, how it look like, how big is it, so me myself, I don't even know. It's only the pictures, the way, the instruction and all that is only what I saw. So I've not seen it since I received it. So we are going to open it together and see how it look like. Yes, so yeah, this new look. Yeah, you will see this look on the other video. I don't know, maybe I will post the makeup video of this look. Maybe I'll post it before this unboxing or after unboxing. I don't know, any one of the two. You will see it. Yeah, you will see it. So let's unbox what is inside here. Let's see what is inside. Let's see how it look like. It's floor unboxing. Yes, it's floor unboxing. So this girl is, we are ready for something new. So we are going to set it together. So where will I no, I think it's this way. I have to start. Let me stay for the floor. Look at my studio light. I saw it came with bag. So bag to package it. I think so. Yeah. This whole bag. Oh my God. So this is the bag to keep it safe. What is this one? Oh my God. I hope. How is it look? How does it look like? First of all, I don't know what is this. I think this is the white material that came with it. So first of all, let me bring it out. Let me see how it is. With something, what is this? I think this is the umbrella shape. How to fix it? This is big work. This is hard work. So it's the same thing also. So the two, it's two, because I ordered two stands. This is the stand. Yes. A little bit dark, so that is why I got this studio is inside here. This is the bulb. Oh good, I think this is not just one person work. This is not one person work at all. Let me. This is the board that came with it. The lights. Here is the place you fix the light. Oh my god. Okay, you need to open it. Something you need to open here. I don't know if you can see it. So you need to open it. It was like this. You have to open it and also tie it. So you fix. So these are the bulbs, so I cannot pick everything once. So 3 here, and this is 6, 7, 8 pieces. So there is hole here. Oh my god. So this hole here, this is where you put this what do they call it? So let me just. again, yes. Here is the end of unboxing video. If you love this video, please do not forget to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever video is uploaded. Share with friends, leave a comment, and share with your family also. If you love this video, please give it a huge thumbs up for me. Yeah, a huge thumbs up. Your girl is coming with something great, something wonderful, something you will love, something you will, at the end, you will like. This 2020 is breaking limits. Yeah, this 2020 is breaking limits. So it was so difficult for me to set this light. It was so difficult because there was no corner for this system. There is no manual to set this light. So I was looking at the short video which I saw in Amazon. So how to fix it, how to do this, blah blah blah. Look at the floor, is full with carton, a lot of carton without no manual. So it was difficult for me. Yeah, finally I got it right with the help of the short video. So see you on my next video. This is the end. Yeah, I'm so tired, sweat, with the stress to try to fix the lights. It was not easy. So I got my ring light also in Amazon, which I'll be using for a long time before I start YouTube. So I bought the ring light for my makeup, for just makeup and makeup for Instagram, which I never use it on Instagram like that. So this is your girl new lights, studio lights. See you on my next video. Love you all. Bye. Juicy. Ciao.